The Indus Foundation, which is basically in the education consultancy, now organizing a expo and a convention, global convention in the healthcare field, where they are showcasing the innovations and advances in the clinical care as well as technology from in all disciplines, all faculties, whether it is cancer or it is general medicine or it is cardiology or nephrology or gastroenterology. So all at one place. This is the first of its kind, at least in India, if not in the world, where all disciplines are converging at one place, and they are expecting over 4,000 delegates from across the world. From about 70-80 countries they are expecting people. Registrations have started. We have, since the time is there, it is in June, when most of the people are in India are free professionals also, because holidays for their children. So the various companies are also participating. It's a good opportunity for Indian healthcare professionals to share their ideas, learn, and also tell across the world that how Indian healthcare industry is providing the best care possible. And we can also get a lot of inputs about the latest advances in medical technology, particularly in field of diagnostics, where innovations are happening very fast. And similarly in the radiation oncology, new radiation techniques are developing. So we will be exposed to all that, and I think it's a very good opportunity for healthcare professionals, researchers and the students to get benefit out of it. I really don't have much idea about new theories because I'm not a doctor myself, but I run a hospital, and basically the idea is in future is that all health care will be related to each individual, specific to that individual, in the sense genes are different. So genomics is the one which is going to take leading part in the clinical delivery, and medicines will be based on your genes. And so maybe not immediately, some work has already been done, and some clinical deliveries are also happening in Western countries, but in India it is yet to start. Maybe in 10 years time, I think that is the way the health industry will move forward. Apart from the, of course, advances in diagnostics, because the main thing is if you can diagnose properly, you can treat it better. So the medical advance in that field is very important, and more companies are working on that. So this is a good opportunity to know. In that we'll also come to know what are the new advances happening in the Global Health Summit. So that is a good opportunity for all of us.